Discover how to edit, merge, and split your PDF files with OffiDocs free tools. All online, quick, and hassle-free. Editing a PDF is simple. Select the editing tool on the homepage, upload your file, adjust text, images, or other elements. Save your changes, and download it instantly. To combine documents, select Merge PDF, upload the files you want to merge, and arrange them in the desired order. Then press Merge and download a single, ready-to-use PDF file. If you need to split a PDF, select Split PDF from the main menu. Upload your file, choose the pages you want to extract or divide it into equal parts. Click Split and download the resulting files. OffiDocs also allows you to compress PDFs to reduce their size, convert them to other formats like Word or JPG, and customize them with watermarks or page numbers. With OffiDocs, your PDFs are in your hands. Try it today at pdf.offidocs.com.